Soak the peanuts in brine for 5 to 10 minutes. Set the temperature of the fryer to 170 degrees centigrade. When the oil temperature reaches the set temperature, put the peanuts into the fryer. The frying machine stirs the material while frying, so that the material is evenly heated. Automatic discharge, more convenient. The main shaft of the deoiler drives the barrel to rotate to complete the deoiling process. Then discharge. The fried peanuts then go into the cooling belt. The cooling machine quickly reduces the temperature to ensure the flavor of the product. The barrel of the seasoning machine is designed with stainless steel octagon, which can fully mix peanuts and seasoning evenly in a relatively short period of time. After the seasoning is finished, the seasoning bucket is turned down and turned to discharge the material.